Hi guys, sorry I haven't posted in a while, but yeah. Oh, and also, I literally can't think of the word. Yeah. So that happened. Oh, yeah. My camera's. I'm filming with my phone, so it's not good. There it is again. Oh my gosh. Hi. So, sorry for this video being weirdness and all this. I had no idea what to do. So, see you guys next week if possible. Love ya. Later. Alright, so in this video, I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do. I was thinking about actually telling you about myself, but that's boring. So I don't know. Okay, so basically I'm just going to I don't know. Read that book. It's very good. Very good. Very good indeed. Ugh. So anyway, I actually just auditioned for a play at my school, which is kind of a big deal for me because it's my first actual year taking real theater, so I'm quite nervous. But this is my mic. Monkey is Paul's head. Who cares? This is Beanie. Beanie goes on it. Wonder what apples have a preference. No one was spelled Sorry guys, it sounded like really off in this video, so whoops. I really don't know what's going on. I tried to fix it, but it's not working. So, see you guys next week.